Here's a quick look at YouCanBookMe's Analytics feature. It's a snapshot of the bookings that you've taken over the last day, the last week, or the last month, and you can find it here on the Analytics tab if you're on the Professional or the Team plan. Analytics will show you how many meetings you've booked in the time period that you've chosen. It'll show you what your most popular booking pages are, and the number of SMS you've sent if you send them, and if you take payment, the amount of money that those bookings represent. Our Insights tab shows you how many of those bookings have been cancelled, rescheduled, or are a no-show. And this is really helpful because if you're seeing that there's a lot of no-shows, that will help you to understand that maybe you need some different reminder options. If there's a lot of cancellations that aren't working well for you, then maybe you can change a cancellation policy and update that a little bit. So there's lots of things that you can use these insights for. Coming soon, we'll be looking at improving our analytics offering with looking at the most booked appointment type, looking at the most booked team member, and for payments, looking at the most booked promotion codes. So there's lots more to come. Look out for those and we'll keep you posted. Thank you.